So children, the next chapter for revision is third level. Okay. Third level is first chapter of the second book, Vistas. What is there in this chapter? There is a person named Charlie. Okay. And he was so worried about his the problems which he is facing in his day-to-day life. What happened? He just decided to, he started thinking, he started imagining the things, and by this, he just imagined that he had reached the third level, okay, third level of a certain station. Name of the station was Grand Central Station. Okay, and after reaching to that third level, okay, he just imagined that he has reached to 1894. Okay, so what all things happened with him when he reached the third level of the Grand Central 1894? He saw that many things are different from the present time. Okay, he saw that the currency was also different. Many things are so different. Fine. So what he started doing, he after coming back from that third level, he many a time in the weekends he used to go to this Grand Central Station and just search for the third level. But he was not able to find the way to go there. Fine. One day what happened, he came to know that one of his friends, his Sam, he just disappeared somewhere. Nobody knows where he was. Okay. So he just imagined that he has gone to Galesburg. After a few days, he got a letter from his friend Sam, and from that letter, he came to know that Sam was in Galesburg, and that too in 1894. And from where he reached there from third level. And from that day, he started searching for third level at the Grand Central Station. Okay, children? Now there are some questions here. What does the third level refer to? What is the significance of the third level? Okay, so what does the third level refer? Find the third level refer here the third level of the Grand Central Station. Okay, where this person Charlie reached in 1894. And what is the significance? What is the importance of third level here? Okay, the importance is that he's just trying to get rid of his problems and he's imagining the things that in 1894 everything was very peaceful and calm. People are so peaceful, there are no such worries and no such rush in the life of the people. Okay, that is the what convinced Charlie that he had reached the third level at the Grand Central Station and not the second level? In this question, children, you have to write all the things. All the things means what all things what all things Charlie saw on the third level of the Grand Central Station. For example, the different dresses the people are wearing that are so different from the present time. Then the second thing, what he saw that the glass curtains. Then he saw the gas lights. Okay. Then the newspapers. Find all these things, the old currency. All these things tell us that from all these things he came to know that he was not on the second level but on the third level. Fine. How does Charlie, the narrator, describe the third level of the Grand Central? Children, this is the same. You have to answer how he described it. All those things, the people, the way the people are there, big mustache, long beards and sideburns and all. You have to describe all that things over here. The difference of the people, the locomotives, what he found that what the locomotive was there, the dress of the people, the way they are standing, okay, all these things you have to describe here. Okay, what all things he saw on the third level. How did Charlie make sure that he was not on the present time? Same answer, children. Why I have written it 3 times? Because it came in different papers, okay, in different years. Fine. This came in 2010, then this in 13, this in 11. Fine. So that's why I have written it 3 times. But the answer will be same. Okay. How did Charlie got often lost in the Grand Central Station? Now, how he got lost? Because it was a very big station. And every time whenever Charlie used to go there, what is there? He just missed his way and he used to reach somewhere else. By this thing only, once he reached to third level. Okay, because this Grand Central his exits are opening. His exits are going in many of the you can say many of the other locations. Fine. So this is the problem with Grand Central, that every time when Charlie used to go there, he used to miss his way. He used to go in some or the other of the corridors, or he used to go on some of the other stairs, and he used to reach somewhere else. Okay, so this is the problem he always used to face. Why? Because it's a big station. And every time he goes, he used to find something new. He discovers some new stairs, some new ways. That is why he was little lost every time when he went to Grand Central. Okay. Next question is, children, why did Charlie suspect that Sam had gone to Galesburg? I told you Sam was his friend. Okay, and why did he suspected that he was gone to Galesburg? Was the reason, children? The reason was that every time Sam, first of all, Sam was a city boy. Okay, he likes to travel, and he always, whenever this Charlie used to tell Sam about Galesburg, because Charlie had spent his childhood over there. Okay, so whenever he told Sam about this Galesburg, what is there, he was always very eager to go there. Okay, he was very eager to go there, and what is there, he wants to once visit to this beautiful place. And he always used to tell Charlie that whenever I will get a time, I will go there. So when one day this Sam disappeared without knowing anybody knows where he was gone, nobody knows where he was gone. So what happened? This Charlie suspected that might be Sam had gone to Galesburg. Why? Because he had a desire to go there, wished to go there. How does Charlie describe Galesburg as it is used to be in 1894? Now in this, children, you are not going to give the explanation of the station. Third level. You will not give the explanation of the third level. You will give the explanation of Charlie give for Galesburg. It was a beautiful place with big lawns and all these fireflies. You have to give that explanation. On the trees on both the sides, people were on a very peace and calm, and about the World War also. Okay, First World War will be 40 years now, and the Second World War will be had been 20. Okay, 20 years from 1894. So you have to give this explanation over here. Fine. Next question. What did Charlie learn about Sam from the stamp and coin store? Now, when he went to the stamp and coin store, what he came to know about Sam? Charlie came to know that Sam had taken the old currency of all his savings. Whatever savings he had taken the old currency of all that savings from the coin and stamp store. Okay, so we came to know that by that currency, by that money, by that saving, might be Sam into a business. But what he had done, he had taken the old currency of 1894 from the stamp and coin store, where Charlie went to this stamp and coin store. Okay, how did Sam reach Galesburg? What did he advise Charlie to do? How did he reach there? He reached there, of course, by the letter we came to know that he reached there by third level. Okay, he found the third level at the Grand Central Station, and he reached there by third level. Okay, what did he advise Charlie to do? What did he advise Charlie to do now? He advised Charlie to come here. Okay, he told that it is a beautiful place. He described the place, he described what he was doing there, and he advised Charlie to come there with his wife Lucy. They both can come there by the third level. And he also advised Charlie to search for the third level at the Grand Central Station. Okay, fine. Next. Why did the booking clerk refuse to accept the money? Why did Charlie rush back from the third level? Now, children, two questions are there. First of all, why did the booking clerk refuse to accept the money? What was the reason why he refused to accept the money? Okay, the reason for not accepting the money is that, children, that when he was calculating the ticket fare, the Okay, this clerk was calculating at the third level. When this at the third level, when this clerk is calculating the money, the ticket fare, okay, for 2 tickets of Galesburg, because Charlie wants 2 tickets of Galesburg. So when he was calculating this money for the fare of these 2 tickets for Galesburg, that time what Charlie was doing, Charlie was taking out the money from his pocket and he was counting that did he had so that much money or not. Okay, so but when he just looked at, when the clerk at the third level looked at that money, he refused to accept that money. Why? Because at third level, the year was 1894. That time the currency was different, and right now what Charlie is having, that currency is totally different. Okay, so it was an old currency in 1894. So that's why the clerk refused to take the money. Why did Charlie rush back from the third level? The reason was that because the clerk warned him that you cannot fool me by showing this money. And the Charlie knows this thing that obviously in 1894 also the jails are not good, prisons are not that good. Going to the jail is a bad option. So he just rushed back from the third level. Okay. How did, next question is children, how Charlie reached the third level, the Grand Central? How was it different from the other levels? Now children, how he reached the third level of the Grand Central, we clearly know that he has gone to some another way. It was a tunnel. When he was walking inside that tunnel, he just thought that it was a wrong way he had taken. But what is there? He just kept on walking, and after that, he just went to this third level. Okay. Now, how it is different from the others level? Just like in first level, we used to take trains for one or the other towns. The second level, there were local trains were going on. Okay, just like metros and all. And the third level, and the interior of first and second level is totally different. The money is totally different. The way the people dressed up is totally different. Fine, but what is there in the third level? Everything is different. There were glass gas lights, there were glass buttons, the dresses of the people are different. Okay, the way they are means they are having a big shed, side knots and all. That is different. Fine, the currency is different. Fine, so everything there is different. Even the locomotives, the engine is of that company which has been closed from, which had been closed for a very long time. Okay, so this is like everything is different. So you have to compare both first and second level of the Grand Central and the third level of the Grand Central. Okay, children. Next, do you think that the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie? Why? Yes, it is a medium of escape for Charlie. Why? Because according to his psychiatrist friend, he just want to get rid of his problems. Okay, there was so much problems, there was so much insecurity, there was so much war in this modern world. So to just get rid of all these things, what he was doing, he was just imagining the third level. This is only what? This is just a medium to escape from his problems, from his insecurities, from his worries. Okay, so that's why we can say that yes, third level is a medium of escape for Charlie. Okay, because he wants to get rid of his all these problems which he is facing in this modern world. Okay, and what is there? He had spent his childhood in Pittsburgh, and it was a very calm and quiet place. So he was just wanted to go back on a in his childhood where everything was calm and quiet, where there were no insecurities, there were no worries, no problems, no fights, nothing. So that's why it is a medium of escape for him. Okay. Next, how does Charlie make his description of the third level very realistic? Now, how did he make his description in this? You have to again write all these things in detail, what we have discussed. Okay, the dresses and all. Okay, what being inferred from Sam's letter to Charlie? What did Charlie came to know about this from Sam's letter? What he came to know? came to know that Sam was what? Sam had reached to third level. Means Sam was who? Sam was a psychiatrist friend earlier who was telling that it was just what? Just Charlie want to escape from his problems. That's why he's thinking of his third level. But now the Sam had reached to third level. That too in 1894, and he insisted, advised Charlie and his wife to come there because still there is what? Very peaceful and calm atmosphere. To get rid of his worries, he should come there with his wife. Okay, children. So these are some questions of your from your chapter third level. Okay. Now in the next class we will discuss the other two chapters, find enemy and on the face of it. Fine children.